Go.
Attempting to fix the motherboard.
Fire blanket.
Ah.
That's morbid. That's fine. No, don't pour that shit on there.
Just getting very high and get.
Yeah, something I'm scared.
No, it's fine.
Hi.
Shit, Sam sees this is really good. So is my friend Chris actually. Shock load this to her.
Oh man.
I actually laugh if it worked.
What do you mean laugh? It worked.
Dude, it wasn't on for long enough. Dude, seriously, it wasn't on for long enough. If you can touch there, it's not going to be high enough.
It's hot though.
Hold on, one more time, yeah?
Alright, one more. And then that's it.
Oh, this is going to be good. This is going to be good! You're watching, Chris. That's even smaller than before.
Don't worry, I get bigger. It was like that at first outside, wasn't it? So.
Yeah. Yeah, this one was fucked.
What?
Pretty cool though.
Oh, my eyes. Look how high the flame
Has
is.
the electricity behind you, Chris?
Oh shit, yeah. Danger. Danger 2.
Get some flooding in here.
Yeah. I love how you put the flame next to the actual Zippo fluid.
Dude, it's getting pretty big.
Yep.
I can smell the motherboard melting.
Can you?
Nice.
Bet not. I want to do this by heat gun.
How the hell do we turn this off?
Just wait. You play the waiting game. So you don't blow it, whatever you do, yeah? Oh, sit down.
Bed's not safe to sit on again.
Oh yeah,
I'm
don't
kidding. I'm kidding.
That's the third danger. Why is that thing clicked?
Can't believe my first guess and I fixed it. You know what? I mean, I could fix Sam's one like that as well.
It's not melting any shit, is it? No, his one. Oh yeah, you can actually.
Yeah, because all you need is to connect the two cables up. Can't believe you guys did.
Going down.
There we go. Yeah, I wouldn't pick that out with your hand, dude.
Oh yeah, I can smell the motherboard.
I wouldn't pick that out with your hand.
Finished.